Hi, it's me again. This is now the materials I bought from Bunnings. Pick up from Bunnings. One bag of cement. That's premium Portland cement, and full builder's mix. So it's only 20 kg per bag of builder's mix. So I purchased 4 bags. So that's enough for my ramp and steps I'm building on that trellis up there on the corner end. So hopefully it will rain today so I can finish this remaining strips of concrete ramp. And also I already removed the soil in here, and thinking I have to put some plants on this corner. So I was thinking maybe a lemon tree or dwarf lemon tree. Yeah. So I have to remove those weeds on top of that grass footpath and continue putting topsoil. So hopefully it won't rain, so I can do it sometimes today or Friday. Yeah. So please stay with me and give you update about my project around the house. I can say modification of around the house. Okay, to my subscribers, viewers, and other people watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and give you current update of any progress around the house. Okay, bye for now, and please be safe and God bless you. Thank you so much for your support, and hope everyone's safe. Bye.